Hi, if you need a quick way to get your healthy snack in and you need that nice crunch and you know potato chips or pretzels is just too high in calories and too many carbs, well, try out these kale chips I made with my air fryer. These kale chips are absolutely gorgeous. They have a nice cheesy flavor to them using nutritional yeast. All right, watch this quick video on how I make my kale chips with my air fryer. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is cut the leaves from the stem of the kale. Once I remove the kale from its stalk, I like to cut them in medium-sized pieces. Even though my kale is organic, I still like to wash the kale with cold water. After my kale is thoroughly clean, the next thing is to add your ingredients. The first thing I like to do is add olive oil. I add a drizzle of olive oil, but you could use the oil of your choice. Once you have all your ingredients together, just gently massage the oil into the kale. Next, you're going to want to place your kale inside your air fryer. For a nice crisp kale, you don't want it too soft or too hard. So I put my settings really low at 200 and I started at 10 minutes. Check your kale to make sure it's crunchy enough. If not, put it for additional 5 minutes at 200 degrees. All right, guys, that is it. So enjoy your kale. All right, guys, thanks. It's Mooregirl.